The power of AI in content creation is changing how the niche bloggers work, and urban gardening is no exception. Imagine explaining balcony herb gardening to your audience in a fully researched SEO optimized blog without spending hours of writing it. Here is the blog that we were talking about. It's completely with SEO images, FAQs, and with headlines and this YouTube video. And I do not spend writing this. Autoblogging.ai created this in under 3 minutes, and let me show you how. Inside your dashboard, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulge ended. I'm going to go with wizard because it sets every detail step by step without memorizing the setting. Article title, I'm going to enter balcony to table, grow fresh herbs in 3 simple steps. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but there are 30 supported languages here. Switch to Spanish, German, or Italian in seconds if your readers are global. For the length, I'm going to pick long because gardening guides need detailed explanations, tips, and context for beginners. But short is for quick reads like seasonal plant list, and medium is for a balanced detail. For the type, I'm going to keep it informative because it's perfect for step-by-step guides like this herb growing tutorial. But here's what other formats do. Listicle is best for numbered tips or product list. Places is best for location-based gardening spots or farmers market. Service by landing pages is ideal for promoting gardening service or product. Here, I'm going to pick second person so the blog speaks directly to the reader. But you can go for the first person if you're writing a personal gardening story, or third person for a more neutral and editorial style. For the style, I'm going to pick conversational, so it's tone and it also keeps the blog very friendly. But here's what other style do. Less AI words makes the flow more natural. Premium style 1 is SEO focused formatting. Snippet optimizer is tailored for Google featured answered. Witty adds a fun and a casual energy. And professional is for more B2B blogs. So I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes here. So Intent's optimized article, it builds an SEO focused article structure with keyword rich heading, so your blog is more likely to rank well on search engine. FAQs will automatically generate a section of frequently asked questions based on what people are searching in Google related to our topic. AI images will add relevant images throughout the blog with complete alt text for SEO and accessibility. And infographics will create quick visuals, chart or diagrams that makes the content easier to scan or remember. SERP analysis. Now it scans the top ranking article on Google for your chosen topic. It identifies what those articles do well and uses that insight to shape our blog for better search visibility. So you just have to enable this, and in the source context box, you can quickly add a note how you want your article to be. And here you can also select the country where you want to rank first. And I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes here. Outline from competition. It uses the same proven section flow as a top ranking content, so your blog matches what's working in search result. External link will add links to your links to credible and trusted website in your niche. Key takeaways will add a short summarized section at the end of your blog, and YouTube video will add relevant video from YouTube that enhances the reader's experience and keep them engaged for longer. AI proofreading, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. So it will just clean up all the grammar, ensures the tone consistency, and make sure the final blog is ready and smooth. Internal linking. Now, if you have already written blog in this related topic, you can just enable this and paste your domain here. Autoblogging will link this article to other gardening posts on your site. This keeps reader engaged longer and boosts the SEO. Human proofreading, it's optional, but if you want a real editor to check the facts and polish the tone and ensure it matches your brand voice, then just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here for them. So this requires a human credit, which you can always purchase from your dashboard. Now just click on generate article and click on the history tab. Scroll down and there'll be a view like icon here. Click on that. And your article is ready to publish with SEO structure, headings, images, infographics, and even FAQs added with YouTube videos and all links done. Want to be quicker next time? You can always go to quick single mode. It has the same quality of the wizard but with fewer clicks. And you can also use our bulk generate option where you can generate blogs up to 100 titles at once and even auto post it to WordPress. Growing a blog shouldn't take longer than growing your herbs, but with Autoblogging.ai, you can go from a single idea to a fully formatted with SEO-optimized article in minutes, which is ready to publish and also ready to rank. And if you would rather spend that time tending to your balcony garden, you can also take our done for you blog service where we'll handle it all for you. And yes, if this helped, hit a like, subscribe, and drop your next blog idea in the comments.